city. Recently, the government ordered the stopping of doctors, nurses, and other healthcare workers from going abroad to help the country in its fight against COVID-19. Are you in favor of this? Why or why not?
Good evening, everyone. I'm not in favor of it because amidst pandemic, we need to unite and spread love because I believe that love is the most powerful force in the universe that could create a way to the highest degree of kindness and respect to others. When we are bound with love, our atmosphere will be filled with positivity that leads to the success of every endeavor. Thank you.
Entering the top 5 is Miss San Nicolas.
Okay guys, cheer up.
The next candidate to move forward in the competition is Miss Nueva Era.
Lawag pasukin ha.
In the winning is
Pasukin.
Miss
Pasok.
Pagod po.
May salamat nun?
Ladies and gentlemen, our final contestant is
Awan!
Miss Pinili.
Oh, gitu. Diyos, pagdating na nga ba? Gaya na si Persaranya na. Bakla nga mo, Jared. Nasa squid ko, yung pagod mo dyan eh.
Sino na nga ba?
Pagod mo.